So have you seen something like this before?
I have, I think, during Dragon Boat Festival.
Oh, okay, very, very good. This looks similar to what we know as 粽子, which is wrapped in a bamboo leaf, but this is not actually the same thing. Very similar though. It looks like, right? So it's sticky rice, and then this is called fàntuán.
Fàntuán.
So fàntuán, everyone, is very traditional breakfast food. There's kind of a sticky rice that's on the outside, and then on the inside you have these delicious kind of crunchy, crunchy things.
It's very good.
So you've got your chewiness from the outside of the rice. You've got the savoriness from the pork floss in there. It's almost like just a shredded jerky, like really finely, a little bit spicy. And then you have this, which is the fried dough cruller in there. All right, so you think you've gotten a good flavor hold on what's going on here?
It is good.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna move on to the next one. Looks kind of like a burrito.
It is. Looks like a burrito. Like.
Okay, so this is what is known as bǐng. Bǐng is traditionally made with there is a wheat batter, and then they make a very thin pancake. And on the inside, you have all these different fillings here. We have some meat. We have lots of vegetables. I see bean sprouts in there. There's a little bit of fried pork floss and shrimps and things like that. So cheers.
This looks pretty healthy, actually. See. It's good.
What are you tasting?
Is it cheese? What was?
There's a little bit of peanut powder and sugar. So bǐng traditionally has a lot of different cold things in there, sauteed vegetables, there can be cabbage, there can be carrots, but also there's a little bit of ground peanuts and a little bit of sugar.
That is good.
Definitely a Taiwanese flavor to have to have the sweet things, but again, the skin is nice and stretchy and it's quite delicious.
It's really good.
Any ideas on which of these two you might be eating with ghosts?
So what's the name? This is bǐng.
This is bǐng, and this is fàntuán, rice rolls. Yeah.
Okay, the answer is the bǐng.
The bǐng.
Yeah.
All right, so Kirill's guess is bǐng. Is that the correct answer? Yes! Okay, so bǐng, why is this eaten during the Ghost Month and the Ghost Festival? So Qingmingjie is also known as the Ghost, So it is typically in April in the regular calendar, but it is time when people go to the grave sites and then they clean things out. But traditionally you are not allowed to use flame during that period of time. So that's why a lot of the foods there are served are room temperature or cold. And this is something that can be prepared in advance, and all the ingredients are at room temperature and cold. And you take it and then you go out there and then you sit down and have a little chit chat with your auntie or your grandma who's not there anymore, and you're sharing your bǐng with the ghosts. So